Hello there, I am Felix Kennedy. I am a crypto investor and trader residing in Lagos, Nigeria. Over the past 5 years, I've helped trailer loads of investors and traders accumulate massive profits via crypto investments and trading. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos to inform, entertain, and educate you on everything cryptocurrency, so you can make the right investments and trading decisions. Expect videos on how to trade via spots, margin, and futures, thereby accumulating daily massive profits. How to spot and participate in profitable projects at an early stage. How to participate and profit massively from yield farming, launchpads, and launch pools. How to invest profitably in Metaverse, artificial intelligence, virtual machine, and blockchain technology. How to profitably manage your portfolio. This and many more are what I'll be covering on this channel. So, in order not to miss out or miss any of my videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday by 7 p.m. And for sponsorship, brand deals, promotion, and collaboration, send an email to felixkennedy@gmail.com. And should in case you're interested or you know of anyone who needs help and guidance on how to buy, sell, trade, and or invest in crypto, feel free to send me a WhatsApp message on +234 7069453625. Above all, always remember to take charge and control of your financial and investment life. See you on the other side of success. Bye.